Hey Divas, as a ready-to-wear brand, we make a lot of random turbans, headwears that are not common, that you will only find it with us. Okay, this is one of those turbans, and we've had this video in our archive, and I decided to edit it today. So make sure you enjoy. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we'll be making a turban, and I already prep my turban. Okay, so what we need is your fabric. I'll be using is a doll face satin and lining. Okay, and I'll also be using Ankara. So what I did here is I already cut the base. The base is going to be your head circumference plus 1 inch, which is for this person I'm using 23 inches. Okay, 23 inches by 14. Okay, 23 inches by 14. That is the base. Now for the band, so this is a strip of fabric. Okay, you can see it. I already joined both of them together. All right, and for the band I used 40. I used 56. This is 56 inches length by 3 inches. Okay, so what I did was I fused this portion, just this portion. Okay, I fused it with stay. All right, and I join it together, and that's it. And when you get to this part, just curve this edge. All right, or you can actually detach it and attach it together, if however, but I wanted it to be a straight, so which is what I have there. So the next thing to do is to fold this, and as you can see, I already make a curve at this edge. So the next thing I'll need to do is to take this to my sewing machine and leave about 2 inches, like measure about 2 inches and leave about 2 inches here, which is 2 inches. Then from the 2 inches, sew it down, and I'm going to take my needle and thread, right? And I'm going to gather it. So I'll set this aside. Now, the rest of the fabric that we need, this is 2 pairs, okay? This is 16 inches by 3.5. This is 16 inches by 3. I will need 2 of these, and we are going to use our crinoline. Insert our crinoline in this one. All right, so this is one. So this one is 46 inches. This is 46 inches from here, 46 inches by 9.5. You can see I already fold it, join it together. 46 inches by 9.5. And this one is 6. This one is 22.5 by 6.5. You can see I already joined it together as well. So we are going to set these 3 aside. So I'm going to take this sewing machine. We're going to join it to 2 inches, and we are going to get back to us. All right. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, I've joined it together, and we are going to take our needle and thread, and we are going to start gathering from here. Okay, so as you can see, so when you gather this, always when you go once, always go back. Okay, go twice so that your thread will not cut. All right, go twice. So this is it, and this is what we have, as you can see. So we just take this at the back, you tie it, all right, and then that's it. So make sure, so for this one, we are going to get the center. All right, we're going to get the center, and we are going to put a pin there so I will easily know it, or you mark it. All right, so we're going to put a pin to get the center, and I'll set it aside. So we are going to take these two, all right, and take our crinoline. All right, this is a thick one, so just insert it inside it. So we are going to take these two like this, take our thread, and gather it, take the second one, So see the way I place it. So we are going to gather it. So we are going to cut. So you can see this is what we have set it aside. So we'll knot our thread. So let's take the small one. So we are going to gather. So we just gather it like this. All right. All right. So you are putting this like this. All right. So I'm going to attach this together like this. Right. So it's going to be like this. So we just attach it together. Okay, so you can see this is what we have. So we set this aside. So we take this, all right, and we are going to do what we did here. All right, so this is it. So we are going to join it together. All right, so you can decide to put it like this, but that's not what I intend to do. So you are going to put it together like this, right? Lock it at the back. All right, so you can see. Make sure you ruffle it up. So we are going to set it aside and we are going to assemble. Okay, so I have placed this on the mannequin and I've tied the back. You can see how it looks. This is the inside, this is the back. So you just tie it the way you like and that's it. You can see the back of the cap. Okay, so just do that. So I'm going to, this is the upper part, all right? So I'll just pick a little, like just pick a little, like this. And take it back. All right, to just create a little gathers in the front. Okay. So I'm going to take my mannequin. All right, we are going to start the placement. So you put it on your mannequin head, right? As you can see, this is what it looks like. All right, don't worry about this. It will, once you tie it again, it will lay flat. Do you understand? All right, so just place this the way you like. All right, and then this one can be placed this way. So meaning that if I place this like this, and I'll place this way. Do you understand? Are you seeing my hand? So this is what I'm trying to achieve. So we are going to tack this to this, and we are going to place this to cover this tacking. All right, we place this like this, and we place this like this. All right, okay. So I'm going to do the tacking of this and show us what it looks like. Okay, so look at this. I'm trying to make this rows smaller, and what I'm doing is I'm just passing Needle through the sides, okay, like this. I'm just, the puffs still aside. I'm just passing it through, all right, to give it a more defined look. Okay, I'm going to knot it. So I'll just cut it off. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to place my mannequin down like this. This is the upper part. I am going to place it like this. All right, and I will pin it down. Enough, okay? I think it's okay like this. You can see it clearly this way. All right, so I'm going to take this, the second part, all right? I'm going to take the second part, and I'm going to place it to cover this part. So I'll place it like this, all right? I'll pin it down, pin it at this side too. And I'm going to tack it. I hope you can see. So this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so the way I pin it down, can you see it? Is the way I'm going to start tacking it. So I'll start tacking from inside out, and so I just tack everything, as you can see, and show us what it. Okay, so this is the finished look. Can you see it? This is so pretty, like so pretty. So you can see it, all right? And as you can see, the back is self tie. You can see the back. You can easily tie it, and this is perfect for different head size, all right? So make sure you practice this, and see you in the next one. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Hope you find it helpful. Kindly follow us on our socials at EK Trainees. See you.